Good morning. He's watching the other video. Basically everything's in the garage right now, so we gotta get all back on the boat, loaded up. Guys, we put the skin icing on. We're here, got everything plugged up, pulling the boat up there. Lydia's up there, dropping the G-Do.
On our way to the lake. Hey, say hi to the vlog. Hello. We made it to the marina.
Yes.
And now we're waiting for Zay's family. There's their family right there, actually. Lake day 2. I'm excited. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna do some kneeboarding and stuff.
There's the boat. Going to get some of the girls. We got the girls, and then my dad's out there. Give me that. All right, Dad, we're gonna throw her off for you. Make myself fall off.
You really are.
I'm gonna hold the camera now.
Oh, great.
I need more of you. I'm undone when I walk in the door to you. You've been speaking, I'm done with ignoring you. Lord, I'm ready to step in the war with you. It's some people you told me to point to. Like, why does my mind trying to border you? Let me look at the deal that you tore into. Who gon' lead me to freedom?
Yeah! We did it, Neil!
I can't worship no idols, then walking and kneel on the floor with you. I'm trying to live what I'm rapping on. We on the team, when we do it, the captain on view it. I see I can't look up to Babylon. I'm trying to speak with my life when they Babylon.
Alright, Zaya threw both him and I off the jet ski yet. He hasn't thrown both of us off yet, but he's now getting, he can throw Hey off. Let's see it. What do you have to say, Katie? Good luck, Hey. Good luck, Hey.
Toddler Chloe is here.
Toddler Chloe's here.
Need a couple more days by the pool. Need a place where I don't need a tool. More grace cause I stay breaking rules. Gold chains cause I can't afford jewels. I need more than handshakes, fake grins. I need more than punch off for my sins. I need more than just racks with an MZ. How you even get that? Where you real friends at? Need some more. People who don't just say that they love me, but when the time comes, they gon' actually show up.
We got Aaron wet.
He's soaking.
He's so guys, we're going kneeboarding now. Shred the Nordic.
Hey, this right here hard, guys. Keep knocking these doors at us. Open the doors, closer to God is where I've been. All of my brothers are walking in faith. Lately I'm seeing that life ain't no race. I was on go and I needed to break. Thank God for his grace. Yeah. I got to keep knocking these doors at us. High up the clouds, closer to God is where I've been. I gotta kick all these doors out. I'm back on the road like it's sold out. Made it look easy, we grown now. Yeah, game time. When I look back, I got the same vibe. Something I saw back in Kobe Bryant. At the end of the day, wanna change lives. It was a tough time, I threw away all of my plaques. I was in pain, there was too much.
Okay guys, I'm just kind of wearing a selfie stick in my life jacket. I don't know if this is gonna look good.
The only credit you receive is the one that you score. That's why we know we depend on the Lord. We kicking in doors. We kicking in doors. My obedience, yes. Oh, you got me like NFC. Nigga been popping me. People go ape and they think they invented me.
Yeah.
I got to keep knocking these doors. Open the doors. Closer to God is where I've been. All of my brothers are walking in faith. Lately I'm seeing that life ain't no race. I was on go and I needed to break. Thank God for his grace. Yeah. I got to keep knocking these doors. High up the clouds. Closer to God is where I've been.
Okay, so Zaya's about to dry scoop some liquid IV. We're eating lunch right now.
Forget it.
Call Randy.
Ew.
Randy just turned, what Randy turned?
Yeah, why are you doing it?
They're all like 10 years, right? Is it like Randy, the Brian, the Dave, and they're 10 years?
like-
He's asking who his second cousin is, so I'm saying it's my
Now
cousin.
that's how you hydrate.
Hydration.
That's disgusting. You spit that out.
Spit what out?
Yeah.
I didn't spit anything out. I couldn't breathe for a second.
There it goes. All right, we're going to the rock. We got Haley, Grayson, me. We're gonna go jump off the
Even
rock.
Zaya.
So.
Look at Zaya.
But yeah.
Yeah, ayy, I'm just big faithfulin', big and back and bullin'. Someone said they saw a demon, so I started shooting. This bigger than music, but they give me the gift, so I use it. They gon' try to run up on your boy like you always praise God with a rap, usually.
Ladies and gentlemen, we talked Grace into going on the raft. Yep. Yeah! Oh, the tipping potential is very high. No! Okay, that was close. The flipping potential is strong with this one. We're gonna over-deliver on your promise, Neil. Please, like you've never seen before. Okay. Maybe I do prefer the boat. I take back my word. I do prefer the boat. That was your chance. Oh no. Oh no.
Why did you do that?
Does that count, Dad? Swim faster! Did you enjoy, Grace?
You wanna go?
Finishing tear down. We're the last ones here. Just dropped off the girls and grandma. Girls are probably vlogging or something right now.
On our way back from the lake. We are toasted. But yeah, we're going home and we're gonna shower and probably eat dinner.
Got that boat draining the water.
We're at dinner. It's currently 19:05. So
That's 7:06 for those of y'all that don't know.
we are exhausted from
1905
today.
and 7:06.
Dinner at the riverside.